All right, we're here in Grand Cas. Thinks they got something going on, so go check it out. They have a bunch of bars and restaurants and food spots over here. We'll grab something. I'm about to get killed. Got the Sunday party going here. Got all the boats. They're doing a 2 o'clock race today over here on Grand Cas Beach. So we just did a little stroll down the beach. Now we're gonna head back up. Gonna head back up, walk the street down. Check out the stuff over there, the little shops that they got over there, the little Lolo's. That's all the little barbecue food you saw before. Got some food, drinks, a little celebration in the street today.
Bastille.
It is that, so it is definitely Bastille Day. We're gonna go with that.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with this Bastille Day. Don't quote me on that. Google research and edit this out before this gets posted, please. Thank you very much. Yes, still walking around Cas, getting close to the music where the party is. Got the birds tweeting in the background. Got Sean in the background. So we stopped in a little mini mart where you get cheap beers, like $2 a beer. Can't go wrong with that.
$2 a beer is not cheap.
He complains. Let him come to the States and Canada, then you'll see how expensive shit is. Yeah, I know, it's not the super cheap. We can get ones for like dollar beers.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know we can get dollar beers.
Exactly.
But still, we're on the French side for a $2 beer.
That's 50 cents more than I'm used to paying, all right?
Oh, shit. Oh. So, I got this thing. You know, we're not going to see this in the States. Desperado Red. This is a French thing. I don't know, they like it. It's like, it's a beer cerveza with some type of tequila flavor, this and that shit. I don't know, Desperado Red. It's like beer, lime, grenadine. It's a unique flavor, but in tequila. But it's only 5.9% alcohol, so it's kind of like the girls like it. It's like a wine cooler in a way. But I just had to buy it just to get it on film, so you can see some of the other shit that they got on the island, especially the French side. John running into cars, about to break fucking windows. Don't worry, we drank Gatorade before to replenish our electrolytes. Now we're drinking some more, and it's noon, so it's technically it's okay.
Exactly. We passed the threshold. Woo! We made it past noon.
Yeah,
no sleep, motherfucker.
Yeah. This dude's been going since 7 a.m. That's when he got out of work. Never slept. I got a little bit of sleep, so we're just going, man. We got up early. Well, he just stayed up.
Yeah, he's out of there. I just stayed up.
And we're just gonna continue this little journey. Now we're getting close to that music. Woo. And high up at I can't even see right now. Just gonna go down a little bit more. No, just point out the window. There we go. And that little road up there takes you to the zip lining if you want to do the zip lining. Which once again, I'm not doing the zip lining.
Oh, it takes you to the highest peak of the zip line. There is
a
few amateur ones that start down here.
Okay, there you go. The highest peak of the zip line. We're actually going to Lottery Farm itself over here. No, we did not hit that tree. I know that that view looked like we were running right into the tree. So just got you some videos and pictures of it. We're not actually going in it because we're not kind of on the move. Don't want to hang out here the whole day. Plus they're saying it's full, which I don't believe. They're trying to sell cabanas. I really don't need to be laid up in a cabana with Sean. Really all we wanted to do was just kind of take a dip in the pool and relax a little bit. And even with that, that's 20 euros to get in, just to get in. And the cabanas were 75 euros. Now I spend money, I could care less, but we're just wanting to take a dip in the pool, not spending that much right now. But anyway, this is Lottery Farm. If you do want to, I recommend if you want to come here for like a full day, then I have no problem with spending the 75 euros. But if we were only coming for about an hour or something like that, just to take a dip and relax, I'm not spending that money just for that amount of time. So we're just gonna kind of drive up to the highest peak point over here, where they have the highest point of the zip line, and just kind of give you a view from there. And then after that, we're gonna go to a couple other spots.
Come on, little car, you can do it. Okay, push. Go.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This is like a 4x4, supposedly. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that view. Look at that view up here from the front side. Lottery Farm.
I can see the left side from
here. What's the name of the Rambo, right? Like that's the area? Yeah. Yeah, so the area we're in is Rambo. Kind of like, Sylvester Stallone. So here at the highest point when you drive all the way up, technically we're not supposed to park. It's kind of trespassing, but we're just gonna try to, you know, get the shot, as they say, the money shot. So a little hike over here to get a good view, get a little shot of that, and then head back. Made it up here. It's fucking beautiful. Oh, this is, yeah, if I had my shoes on, it'd be a different story. I'm flip-flopping it all the way. Fuck shoes. I feel like I gotta be on Naked and Afraid.
Shoes are overrated.
What's up, guys? Top of St. Martin. This is what you do. This is what you get when you trespass. Trespass, baby. Yeah, the towers are all the way up there. No, we're not going all the way to where the zip line starts. Fucking Captain Sean. Fucking climbing the tree. I said climbing the tree. Don't drop the key. I will fucking kill you. Oh my, yo, you testing my patience, boy. Oh. From this view, it looks like Sean's sitting on my head. Here's my little, oh yeah! Come to Papa. The wrong way. Woo! There's our background. There's a little car in the background. Here we are in Baton Rouge, still on the front side. Once again, he has me walking up, stuff like that, in my sandals. I wanted to change it to my sneakers. He goes, no, you don't need them, don't worry about it. And no, he's gonna have me do this. And hopefully not bust my ass. Doing so, walking up this little way. Yeah, so climbed up here, that was, we got some water down there, little entrance back out to the sea. Pretty awesome around here. Nice little backdrop. I am definitely getting sun today, boy. That's for sure. Go show you down here. That going on there. Why?